Hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Pretty TV, where we talk about pretty people, pretty places, and pretty things. I'm your host, your homegirl, and your hairstylist, Tamika, and today we are doing another review. This one is going to be on some eyeliner, and I will be back to tell you what I think. Okay, so we are back. Let's get to it. We're going to start off with our shout outs and our sponsors. Of course, we always start by thanking those who help us put this together, aka Too Eager Productions. They are always so patient with me. They have the best suggestions. They make me look so good under the lights. So I really, really do appreciate them. Sponsor, yay, yay, rah, rah, for Frisky Business Beauty Studio in North Hollywood, California. They specialize in hair extensions. And they are paying for all of this to go down. I really appreciate them also. And thank you for your sponsorship. Disclaimer: whenever I do a review video, I always add this disclaimer. If I do not include the item that I am reviewing as a sponsor, I am not being paid to review this item. Okay, so this conversation is going to be about eyeliner. Now, whatever you use an eyeliner for, whether it's to make cat eyes or to make your eyes pop a little bit or maybe reduce the size of bug eyes, we all need a little eyeliner. This one is a pencil liner. It's not a liquid. It's a pencil liner, which I prefer myself. It's by a company. The name of the company is called Sugar. I've never tried their eyeliner before. It's another product that I got from Epsi. Got it. And it was about $20 after all was said and done with the shipping and the product itself. The name of the color is Purple Rain, like Prince. And you know I love Prince. I love Prince. It's such a shame our friendship had to win. Purple rain, purple rain. Okay. And Prince wore eyeliner, so there you go. But this color is so pretty, and it's super, super baby soft, smooth. It almost feels like baby powder. Look at that. And they have a bunch of other colors too. You know, basic blacks, the browns. They have a bunch of colors. But this one I chose, and that's the reason why I wore this outfit, because I thought it would go really, really nice with this. Why do I still have this facial thing on? Y'all didn't tell me. Y'all did not even tell me that this is from the other video. This should have been off. Now, looked in the mirror and got a headband on like I'm Annie Oakley. Okay. So it's very, very smooth. So I'm just going to dab that, put it on my lid. My bottom lid. My favorite part of this eyeliner. It's so soft. And like I said, y'all getting the first time use. And then, of course, the more times you go over it, the darker the purple is. Right? And then if I want it for the top lid, and I just had that common mask, so it's going on super smooth. Right? And I'm just going to do one so we can compare and see what we like. No burning. Cruelty-free, of course. Remember, cruelty-free is pretty. Being cruel to animals is not pretty, so we're not going to do. We do cruelty-free products only. Cruelty-free, soft as a baby's bottom. This is really soft. I really like that. But it's not mush. I don't know why this is so soft. Why is it so soft? How does that look with this shirt, y'all? Tell me in the comment below. Let me know what it looks like with this dress that I'm wearing. This is without, and this is with. Now with liquid liner, I'll take it and put it on my actual lid, which would make, and I use black, so that would make it pop even more, my eye pop even more. For eyeliner, I really, really like this. Like, it doesn't burn, it doesn't sting. This is super soft and super smooth. And then here, very little smudge. See that? Very little smudge, so I like that. I like it. Put a little bit on here too, because that's more the complexion of my face. I like it. So give this product a try. Let me know what you are using. I'm very, very interested. And if you have one that you think I should try, let me know, and I will grab me one and do a review on it. And if you have something that I should avoid and stay away from, let me know why. If you had a bad reaction, remember, nothing that tests on animals. I don't do that. I don't go there. I have a pet that I love like a child, so I don't approve of animal testing with cosmetic products. So let's get the conversation popping in the section below. And remember to keep it pretty, not petty. And in the meantime, drink your water. Be easy on your edges. See, I'm trying to be easy on my edges. And protect your peace.